I'm going to be reviewing for you this Redcon 1 MRE powder. This is actually their meal replacement protein powder. This is their straight meal replacement protein powder they had with that. Like I said, it is known as the MRE. This particular one is their banana nut bread flavor. They do have a variety of flavors such as fudge brownie, snickerdoodle, peanut butter cookie, blueberry cobbler, those sorts of things. Like I said, this one's the banana nut bread. This one has become mine and my husband's favorite. It does actually taste like you're eating a banana nut bread when you're drinking it. You can mix it with whatever you want to mix it with. My husband mixes it in the morning with his with water, drinks it just straight as a protein shake. I personally will actually take a scoop of this and put it in my coffee, so that way it's kind of like a coffee creamer, and I'm still getting it. This is the 7-pound option. It comes in the multiple sizes. Like I said, this is 7-pound option, Redcon 1 meal replacement powder, protein powder, and it lasts us about 2 months in the 7 pounds. So it's nice, tastes good. Don't know what else I could say about it. It's a protein powder. Thank you for watching.